Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to talk about cryptocurrency. For a few years now I've been into cryptocurrency, but I will start talking about it here on my channel. Already have been on cryptocurrency for some time now and I've made so much gain and few losses. Anyway, that's what cryptocurrency is all about. So I'm going to start talking about it here on my channel, and I will be giving you some of those tokens that I have in store already for the bull run that you can also buy and make some profit out of it. Or I have one particular ecosystem that I really love so much, which is the BNB ecosystem. They're actually doing well. I love the scalability, the low gas fee that is associated with BNB Smart Chain. All right, so I will start discussing about cryptocurrency and what you need to know. But first off, always remember to do your research whenever I call a token for you. Whenever I tell you to go buy a token, always remember to do your research, your proper research, and all of that. We all know how to do research when it comes to cryptocurrency. There's a fundamental analysis, there's the technical analysis, sentimental analysis also. So make sure you always do your research whenever I call any token at all. So before all of that, let us quickly learn what cryptocurrency is all about for people that would just be hearing about cryptocurrency for the first time. So cryptocurrency simply means digital money. So if anybody asks you what is cryptocurrency, just tell them it's known as digital money. All right, so that is it. Then there are different kind of cryptocurrency, and cryptocurrency is built on a blockchain in the sense that it is digital. It is made of cryptograph and the rest of them. You can go ahead and read about more about cryptocurrency, but cryptocurrency is simply known as digital money on the internet. And when we talk about the blockchain simply means different blocks that accommodate the cryptocurrency and carry out transactions. So there are different kind of blockchains like the BNB blockchain, the Solana, the Ethereum, and the rest of them. We also have Bitcoin, which is the first ever cryptocurrency. All right, so there are types of blockchain. There's the public blockchain and the private, which is used in secure organization, and the public, which is used universally in the for the public to see whatever that is happening there, and that is where majority of the cryptocurrency are being built. So as a newbie or somebody that is very interested in cryptocurrency, you can go ahead, read more about cryptocurrency and know what is it all about. But here on my channel, I will try as much as possible to bring news, to bring educational content that will make you to upscale your knowledge, make money on in the crypto ecosystem. But be rest assured that whatsoever I bring here is for the good of you and I. All right. So watch out for my next video. I'll be coming with a lot of juicy things. There are cryptocurrency that actually skyrocketing now that you can actually invest few little money and make so much more. Please, just like I have said before, make sure you always do your research. It's very important. Make sure you always do your research so that you will make more money and um lose less money. All right, that is what cryptocurrency is all about. The more you improve in your knowledge, the more you make more money and avoid mistakes that will actually make you lose money. So make sure you always do your research.